Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how you can use VLC media player to capture your desktop or to capture your screen. So first of all you need to open up the VLC media player here, and then you need to go to the media here and then open up this option which is open capture device here, and then you need to first change the capture mode from direct show to desktop here, and then you need to set the frame rate for your computer here. So it depends upon the speed of your PC here. Like if you have a super duper fast PC, then you can set this between 15 to 20 here, but I will set it to like 10 frames here, and then you will not click on play here. You will click on this drop down arrow and tap on convert here, and then you just need to at the destination point where you want to actually save this. So I will save this on desktop, and I will just save here. And once you hit this start option here, okay, so now you are basically recording your desktop. Okay, so what you can do here now is you can basically play around here, talk something about, and you are recording this right now. Okay, and as you can see that we have 20 seconds of recorded this one. And now if you want to actually stop it, you will just click on the stop option here, and now the video has been recorded here. And if we just play it here, you can see that we have played this video. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.